Today we're back on our 1950s Christmas light rescue mission. We're going to do some soldering today, and we're going to fix some of the broken bulb holders, add a brand new bulb holder, and add some extra cable as well. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get our blue bulb holder, make sure that the cables have been stripped, and then we can get everything set up and start soldering. If you didn't see the first part of this video, I highly recommend you check it out here. It tells you exactly what we're doing here today and how it all started. Right, let me just find where we're up to. Just need to expose these wires. And we need to go back to the set itself and expose them. Just have to do it off camera so I've got the angle. I need to find my other wire strippers. I've got some adjustable wire strippers somewhere, but I think I've been using them on one of the cars I've been working on. Okay. Got our cables exposed. We have some green heat shrink, which is a good colour match. And just for extra, we'll go over it with some clear. Got our helping hands. I'm just going to unwind the cable a bit, and we need to get our heat shrink on. Right, that's got flux on it, ready to go. A little bit of flux on there. Just going to tin the bulb holder itself. Okay, let's see if we can do this. It's probably the best bit of soldering I've ever done in my life, because I am not very good at it. But there we go. First bit of soldering. Got our replacement matching bulb holder in place. So there we go. I'm happy with that. Let's get our heat shrink on. And then our secondary clear heat shrink over. And there we go. That's that repair done. Only a couple more to go. It may not be as stylish as sellotape, but at least it's safer. Okay, now we're gonna do a little bit of Re-braiding. Okay, so we'll separate this because it's a mess. Tidy this up. Strip the cable back a little bit, not a lot. You go back on there like that for a bit of support. Okay, there's one on. Now, after this white one is this purple one, which has come off, but we're also missing a section of cable, which didn't come with them. But luckily, our other salvaged set of lights has come up with a nice long stretch that we can put on, and the colour match is pretty good. It's matte, not translucent. Get a little bit of solder. And now this one goes on our base. There we go. Now we can feed this through our shade. Okay, we're good. Our wires are not close to touching. Got our tool. And that's it back in, fixed. It's not going anywhere. And now, we just gotta do braiding. On Christmas lights, the braiding goes clockwise and then it goes counterclockwise. It's weird how it works on these lights, but we will put it back to the way it should be. Sorry about the camera angle, a little bit of a strange one today. Don't normally go this in depth with repairs, but I think people have been wanting to see a really in-depth repair, and I thought, let's do it. I'm just cutting off the sheath from the cable. Really careful how we do this, so I'm going to feed the cable through the bulb holder first. Then we got our little, okay, you go there. We've got our flux on. that's us done with the soldering iron. I'm going to try and get this in the bulb holder while it's still hot, because the hot metal will probably help it set in a bit more. Raw tool. That's it, set in. Okay, so now we can just hold that in place, do our braiding. We've got our last bit here. Like that. And there's our end piece done. And there we go, we've done all of our repairs for our lights, and follow for a part 3 where we install the bulbs and see if these lights actually work. So apologies for all the sketchy camera work, I'm sure it'll come out well in the edit. But there's our second video of restoring this 70-year-old set of lights. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you on the next one.